Welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this full video, I'll show you how to boost iPhone signal. Cell phone signals are radio waves, the AM FM kind. Like all radio waves are easily disrupted. To do this, first of all launch Settings app. In Settings, tap on Mobile Data option. Now here, scrolling down and see all the options. Next, find Network Selection option and then tap on it to open. Now here, make sure that tap Toggle on next to Automatic. If toggle is not on, then select any other options from any of them. So if selected any other option from there, you have to tap Toggle on next to Automatic. To do this, tap on white button and turn into green next to Automatic. Sometimes reasons for this like cell tower or site distance, outside interference, building materials like metal, glass, concrete, brick. All it takes is just combination of these factors. Next, tap on Mobile Data options. Here tap Toggle on next to Data Roaming. Then open Voice and Data. Here select the option 4G Volt on. It's all done here for boost your iPhone signal.